Hello everyone, welcome to CAD and CAE Bootcamp 2021 at Kingston University, London. My name is Esfandiar Khaleghi and I'll be the lecturer and instructor for this bootcamp. Within the next 9 weeks, we're going to work together to go through the introduction of the CAD using the Siemens NX and Solidworks, and then we'll go through the CAE and work and touch the surface of the finite elements analysis as well as the computational fluid domains, both the inner flow and outer flow, the aerodynamics and the inner flow. So this bootcamp is really suitable for you if in case you haven't experienced of the CAD, you never worked with the CAD software before, or if you worked with the software before but it's been a long time you haven't worked with any of these software. It's really good to come back to the same sort of levels that has been expected to conduct your dissertation or even to do your MSc degree at the Kingston University of London. Also, if you're into the area of the design engineering, and if you want to go and join the industry as a design engineer or something related about the design engineering, this bootcamp is really suitable for you. What we're going to go through, we're going to start working by the Siemens NX, and we're going to go through and learn sketching, 2D and 3D modeling techniques, as well as we go through the assembly using and making the kind of in relation between different parts, different components. And we go to the CAE parts, the finite elements analysis and CFD. We'll start with the Siemens NX first, and then we'll go to the SolidWorks. Siemens NX is quite well known in the automotive and the aerospace industry, and lots of car manufacturers and the aerospace companies use that, so it's really good to have in your CV. Also, SolidWorks is quite well known in academia and startup and small medium-sized companies as well. Every single Monday, usually around 2 o'clock, you'll receive an announcement on the canvas, which you need to check a 2 to 3 hours video that's been pre-recorded by me. We call it as a flip classroom techniques. So please take your time to watch that 2 to 3 hours video content and please put it to the practice. Practice is really important to be able to learn CAD and CAE contents. You can watch hours and hours of the same sort of contents online, but usually without putting it to actual practice, you won't be able to do the same sort of things. So practicing is really important. Sometimes, what I deliver seems to be confusing, but once you do it actually to the practice and once you try it on your machine, you realize, no, it's really straightforward. On the other hand, sometimes you see the contents online, it seems to be quite straightforward, but it's a little bit tweaks that you need to actually put it to the practice to be able to understand it, how it works. So practice is really important. Also, practicing will help you to be able to do the same sort of thing within a short period of time, and you will learn that through this bootcamp. You will see for the first weeks that we'll start sometimes generating a tutorial. Simple tutorial might take half an hour for you, even more than that, but once you go and work at your own time, that will reduce to the 5-6 minutes, something like that. So every single Monday, you'll receive the announcement, as I mentioned, and you need to go and check that content. So once you watch that content on Monday, you have time till Thursday to write down your question and practice, and then discuss it on the Thursday, which we will have a 3 hours drop-in session at 2 o'clock. And that drop-in session, the online drop-in session we have, is going to be done through the MS Team. So I wonder if you please download the MS Team as well. And then within that 3 hours, you can ask your questions, and I'll go through the same sort of the video that I delivered and answer your question on those topics. Also, you have time to discuss about your MSc projects and discuss about the kind of question you have related to the CAD, FE, and CFD content that you need to work on. So it would be a really good opportunity for you to discuss this with me and the rest of the students. It will be a really good learning platform for all of us. Depends on what kind of question you will be asked during that session.
So in order to access the contents and material for this bootcamp, you need to go to your MSc landing page. Depends on what MSc you're looking. For instance, what you're seeing here is MSc Renewable Energy, but of course you will have access to it as well. So if you go to the CAD CAE Bootcamp, within this page you would be able to see the schedule. And as I mentioned, every single Monday there is a content which will be available pre-recorded for you and will be launched at 2 o'clock, which by clicking there you would be able to see the content and watch the video. Usually it's between 2 to 3 hours, as I mentioned. And also on the upcoming Thursday between 2 to 5 there would be an online hands-on session. which is a drop-in session that will go through and answer your question about the launch video on the Monday. And also I will go through your question within CAD and CAE related topics. So you can see and have a look about the rest of the schedule for these bootcamp. Let me go back. Also, within the CAD and CAE Bootcamp welcome page, you have access to the contents. You can see there are different 5 topics that we are going to deliver, which is the CAD using the Siemens NX, FEA using the Siemens NX, is the CAD using SolidWorks, FEA using SolidWorks, and CFD using SolidWorks. Right now, you only have access to the topic 1, but once we go along the bootcamp, the rest will be released to you as well. So if you click to the first one, you can see there is some sort of information here about what's going to be delivered within these bootcamp. Also how you would be able to have access to the Siemens NX. And also you can see the content, which is the first video that is available for you as an introduction to CAD using the Siemens NX. You would be able to click here and watch the content in here. Also you would be able to change the quality as well, depends on your network connection. If you click there, you will have access to the presentation, which is available in the box. So the same presentation that I will go through, and you can see that I've also come up with the different tutorials that I've done it for you as well, but also here's a step by step into the content that you can do it at your own time. Also, once I've done all those tutorials, also I've put it the generated files as well, if in case you want to have a look. So you can see all the materials in here, including the video, presentation file, and supporting documents. So the way that you hear about these sessions is through the announcement. So you should receive an email, but of course if you check your canvas, you will see an announcement. For instance, that's the first announcement that has been scheduled to be released today about the content that is going to be delivered, with some useful links on every single session. And also that's the link for the first drop-in session we have.
So that was it from me. So please go and watch the content that has just been released. Please watch and practice at your own time, and I'll see you on the Thursday. Thank you.